Growing up in the tiny Ukrainian village of Barova, honest, hard work and just doing the right thing came natural to this family.
My name is Anatoly Panchak, and I am one of the owners of AVA Roofing and Siding. Growing up in a village, you don't grow up with a lot. One thing you learn, I think, from day one is you learn how to share, or how to help the next person, whether it's your sibling or your neighbor. My brother and I, we did a lot of things together. We took care of the cattle, so we'd get paid, not in dollar amounts, but in sugar, oil, or salt. That's basically how things went back in the day. So you don't get the money, but you get the things you can live off of.
No one in this family of 6 girls and 4 boys was exempt from family chores. Even at the tender age of 4, part of Tony's job was to take care of the farm rabbits and the family horse.
That's actually what I have, a big scar on my head. It's from a horse, so that's a big scar from a horse. So.
Early experiences like this taught the family that when life gets you down, just get back up and keep going. And the lessons continued when in 2003, the family moved to the United States of America. The brothers joined a roofing crew and several years later decided to start their own company.
So when we started our company, we knew how to roof, but we didn't know the business aspect of it. So we created our own model.
A business model that has evolved over the years, making AVA Roofing and Siding the #1 choice in the industry, both for customers and employees alike.
I think when it comes to our employees, we treat them more like friends and family. And I think our customers see that when we take care of our employees first, it gives our customers confidence that the project we're on, it will be completed with excellence.
A confidence that has led to a loyal customer base, in part because of delivering friendly and reliable service to thousands of homeowners across Western New York. With multiple projects going on every day, the company employs over 50 men and women specializing in roofing, siding, repairs, and all exterior services. When asked what motivates him,
I guess what motivates us to get out of bed every morning is doing what we're doing here. A project like this, it's not for every roofing contractor. A lot of custom work went in, flashing, brick work, solar roof vent. It's not for your entry-level roofer. You need to be properly skilled, have the right equipment, and definitely have the right guys to do this project.
perhaps it was the life lesson of caring for their neighbors back in Ukraine, which the family has never forgotten, that today allows them to give back so freely to the community. Whether it be Niagara County SPCA, their annual roof giveaway, donating turkey dinners to veterans, supporting Diamond in the Rough animal shelter, donating poncho packs to Ukraine, sponsoring a girls' softball team, or a host of other causes, the company is eager to help, especially when it comes to our veterans and active military.
I think, for me and my brothers, the success that we see in AVA Roofing is because of the values that we learned as we were growing up back in Ukraine. And if I had to do it all over again, I'd do it 10 times over. Living in Ukraine kind of made us who we are and made me who I am as a person. I'm not perfect, but my mom was proud of me. So.
AVA Roofing and Siding. If it's over your head, give AVA a call.